guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about joint events. So what exactly is a joint event? So joint events are created by applying just the basic set operations. As we learned in the first video, we have set operations like a union, an intersection, and complements. And so an important principle of joint events is called the addition rule. In other words, the addition rule of a union. And so this basically states, as far as sets, that the union of events A and B is equal to set A plus set B minus the intersection of A and B. And we can actually expand this property into probability and write that the probability of the union of A and B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the intersection of probabilities A and B. And if we want to expand this even more to saying using multiple events such as events A, B, C, etc., we can use a similar principle. So for example, if we want to find the probability of the union of, let's just say, events A, B, and C, this will be equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B plus the probability of C minus the probability of the intersection of A and B minus the probability of the intersection of A and C minus the probability of the intersection of B and C. And we're actually going to add on the probability of the intersection of events A, B, and C. So we can also expand the addition rule of a union into the concept of something being mutually exclusive. So the idea that something is mutually exclusive is just saying that the intersection between events is empty. So if we're taking the addition rule, which states that probability of the union of events A and B is equal to the probability of event A plus of event B minus the probability of the intersection of A and B. Since mutually exclusive states that the intersection is in fact empty, we can actually visualize this again and say if we have A and B, the intersection will be empty. So the value of A will just be this part of A, and the value of B is just going to be this part of B. And since the intersection, which is right here, is empty, and this is the intersection right here, we can actually cross this out since this is equal to the value of 0. Since the intersection is in fact empty, we're equal to 0. And we can say that the equation for something that is mutually exclusive to find the union of these two events is simply equal to this right here, the probability of A plus the probability of B, since the intersection is in fact the value 0. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys were able to learn something new, and this is a good review for you for things that are joint events, mutually exclusive, and just the overall addition rule of a union. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.